All right, this is the Edelkrone FlexTILT Head 2. So this is a pan tilt head for DSLRs and camera systems with a Q20 connection. So here you can see the box. It's got that Edelkrone crown over there. And pretty simple here. Made in Turkey. If we open up this box, here we have the FlexTILT Head from Edelkrone. So that is the Q20 screw. It's got a bubble level there. And that looks like a 3/8 thread on the bottom. And this tilts open. So if we push up there, notice how this part tilts up like that. And there's several sections here. So that's 1, 2. So if we pull up there, we'll notice that we've got this kind of a Z shape. And there's one more section there that we can pull up. It's kind of this, almost like an accordion style that opens up there. It's very stiff, so if you have a heavier camera, it seems like it would hold that position pretty well there. So you could put it on the desk, even angle it straight down so your camera's pointing down at something. And then this part rotates here. Could extend this all the way there. So that can go pretty flat. Even have the camera upside down like that. Or just have it angled downward. Just like that. And then this folds back. There you have it, the FlexTILT Head 2.